Hey guys, I'm going to do a Project Pan update for you guys. I'm going to do it behind camera only because I'm not really wearing makeup these days because I have a sty on my eye and I need that to heal up. Not that you guys have never seen me without makeup before, but I just wanted to do this quick and get it out for you guys. So yeah, I didn't feel like setting everything up to film, so I'm just going to do it this way. So we're going to start off with the, oh, I forgot a product. Hold on a second. Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to update you guys first on the products that I didn't finish up yet. So the Verb Ghost Oil for my hair. It takes a long time because my hair is short. So last month for that I had 15 grams. This month I have 13. The Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume. And I'll just show you guys where it is. I'm more than halfway through the bottle. Okay. So last month that was 141 grams. This month it's 138 grams. And what's next? The Milk Hydro Grip Primer. There's what the progress is looking like on that. And last month it's still 103 grams. I haven't used it that much, and sometimes these things are packaging that weighs more than anything else. What else is next? The Closest Cloud Set Powder. Hold on a second, I open it. Hold on. I know this isn't very professional, I'm sorry. It's still wearing down, but I've been concentrating on my e.l.f. powder for my deck of panning, so I haven't been giving this the attention that it deserves, but hopefully this month I'll be able to get into that. I gotta smell this. No, it still smells okay, but Kosas products go off pretty quick. So we'll try to finish that up. It weighs the same. No, it weighed 73 last month. This month it weighs 74 for some reason. I don't know. The Fenty Cream Bronzer in Butter Biscuit. I don't think there's any... Yeah, last month it was 62, this month it was 63, but there is a dip wearing in that, if you can see. It just takes a while, and when the product shifts around, sometimes measurements can be off, so that's that. So now we have the Charlotte Tilbury Pinkasm, which is this little sample size, and this is still 10 grams, even though I did use it a couple times, but the Fenty Heat Gloss is still 34 grams. But you can see windowing in that, so hopefully I can get that finished up. Okay, so that's everything that I'm still working on currently. Now I have 3 finished items for this month. So I finished up the One Size BBBB cream. No, it's not 4Bs. BBB cream. That's completely gone. I can't squeeze anything else out of there. I used a little thing that I got from Temu to push everything down so I could get everything out of it. So that's gone. That's an empty. So we're going to talk about empties now. These facial wipes that I had, they're kind of like a resurfacing. I don't understand why the name isn't on the container. It must have been on the box that it came in. But I used these up. They're gone. And I completely used up the Barefoot Beachfront Blanket, from Bath & Body Works. So that's completely gone. So that's 3 rollouts for this month. And now I have 3 new items that are coming in. So I'm going to use up this hemp lotion because I can wear this without the cats sneezing too much. They're not allergic to this. So it's sweet pineapple and honey melon. This is starting out at 506 grams. It's a big boy. Okay. And then I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I'm going to try, if this was expired in the end of 2023, so I'm going to try, if it doesn't seem to work the same, I'll roll it out and roll something in. I'll give you guys an update on that. But I did use it the other day and it didn't seem to bother me. So this is 45 grams. And the only thing that would be off on that is the SPF, right? It's not going to work as good as it normally would when it's new. And then I'm putting a concealer in. So I'm going to use this Too Faced Ethereal Light Concealer. And this is starting off at 26 grams. So those are the 3 new roll-ins. These are products that I'm still working on. My palette, the Too Faced one, I haven't touched it because I haven't been using eyeshadow at all because of the sty on my eye. And I have other ones. I have 2 other eyeshadow palettes in my deck of panning, so I'm trying to divide my time up between everything. But I'm giving myself the whole year to hit pan on every color in the Too Faced palette, so I'll eventually get there. So that is my update for my Rolling Project 10 pan. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have you finished up any products lately? I'd like to know down below. Let me know. And I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.